I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a smoothie with oats. Start by gathering 1 banana, 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup yogurt, and a handful of berries. Add a spoon of honey or a splash of vanilla for sweetness. Blend on high until smooth, about 30 to 60 seconds, and adjust thickness with more milk or ice to suit your taste. Combine oats and liquid first to let oats soften slightly for a creamier result. Toss in banana and berries to add natural sweetness and color. Add a tablespoon of nut butter or a scoop of protein powder for extra calories and flavor. Blend until fully smooth, pausing to scrape sides if needed, then taste and tweak sweetness or thickness with honey or additional milk. If your blender struggles, pulse first and then blend continuously for a smoother result. Use 1/2 cup soaked oats to minimize graininess or choose quick oats for quicker breakdown. For a colder, thicker drink, use frozen fruit or 3 to 4 ice cubes instead of extra liquid. Sweeten lightly and remember oats absorb liquid over time, so drink soon or add a splash of milk before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.